In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add music to your Instagram story. Now, this is super easy, so yeah, we're just going to start right away. Now, what you want to do is open your Instagram, of course, and you want to add something to your story. Now, you can either just record something real quick, or you can just take a picture. Doesn't really matter. Now, once you've done that, you want to click on the sticker icon right there. Maybe for you it's on the side or somewhere else. I'm not sure because Instagram sometimes changes their layout. So make sure to open this. Now for me it already is right there, the music button. But if it's not there, all you have to do is just search for music and it will appear right there as well. Now if you click on it, you can either choose a song that's recommended for you. This list can go on and go on, or you can browse right there as well with different genres and stuff like that. But yeah, you can also just search for any song you want. So I can just search for, I don't know, a Yung Gravy song, for example, and then just play it like that. And then you can also, if you want to, choose different parts of the song, as you can see. And the lyrics also includes right there, but that's not for every song. But you can also change the lyrics like that, but you can also just put it like this, as you can see. But basically, yeah, you can choose any song you want. And yeah, that's it actually. You can now put it on your story or send it to someone. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.